Righto guys, we've left Streaky Bay and we've moved up the road to Smoky Bay, our last bay stop before the Nullarbor. We'll stay here for a couple of nights in the Smoky Bay caravan park and we'll have a look around. But beautiful little bay, absolutely magic little bay. Spot on weather, so when we check into the park we'll have a look around. Righto guys, we're at Smoky Bay. We're staying at the Smoky Bay caravan park. $37 a night, power and water. Nice big back in bay. Right on the beach. And you can get oysters just up the road fresh. So $18 for a dozen, which is cheap as. So let's go have a look at a little bay where we're staying. Have a few little unit blocks here you can stay in. Only a small park, not overly big. Probably about 50 vehicles I'd say. But nice clean toilet block, nice clean little park. So it's really good. Really nice camp kitchen set up in here. Really well designed. Bit of shade, heaps of seating, fridge, microwave, coffee machine, all stainless steel and a big range hood. Yeah, really neat little camp kitchen. And this is our bay here, nice little backing bay, plenty of room. Nice view to the ocean. So that's us. Be here for a couple of days in Smoky. $37 a night. Power and water is pretty cool. We'll venture up, grab some oysters, and maybe even chuck the drone up. All right, we've been down to SA Premium Oysters in Smoky Bay, and we've got some oysters fresh off the boat this morning. $18 a dozen shucked live oysters, and they shuck them in front of you, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna have a few beers and get into these. Look at the size of them, they're massive. $18 a dozen, shucked, all fresh. So we're gonna have a few beers and get into some Smoky Bay oysters. So round one's out of the old griller. Got the old garlic butter and the old barbecue Worcestershire ones happening there. Bit of lemon and a beer. So while those babies are cooling, Lisa's prepping these ones over here. Look at the size of them.
Look at the size, look.
They're huge, they're huge.
Meaty.
So we'll get these ones garlic buttered up. Bit of garlic butter on. Oh, look at that. Get those babies in the oven while these ones are cooling, and then we'll get into them. Alright guys, we've left Smoky Bay and we're heading west back to WA. So we're going through Ceduna and we're going to stay in Penong for a couple of nights. Our last water stop before we cross the Nullarbor. So we'll get some water there and then we'll head across the Nullarbor back into WA. I won't show you much here because if you go back into earlier videos you'll see Penong and have a look at it there, but we might show you a bit when we start heading across the Nullarbor. Righto, we've left Penong and we've already crossed the Nullarbor, so we're just 10 kilometres shy of the WA South Australia border village. So we've done a whopping 460 k's today, done a big drive, and we're going to camp up here at the 10k peg it's called. It's a free camp in the bush on the Nullarbor, start of the Nullarbor. So we're just driven into the bush. We'll camp up here tonight and leave again tomorrow, cross the border and go through quarantine inspection at the inspection site, fuel up at border village and then head on, and we'll probably go to Craiguna where we stayed last time when we crossed. So yeah, nice little place. I'll chuck the drone up so you can see the footage. Just a big bush camp off the side of the road. It goes all the way down to the beach, but this is where we're staying. Just found ourselves a little spot out of the wind, but we'll have to get the dogs inside because the old snakies are out. We've already seen one today, so we don't want them getting bitten. But yeah, this will do us just for tonight to camp up here and chill out till tomorrow morning, and we'll cross the border. Righto guys, we're at Mundrabilla Roadhouse in Nullarbor. I don't know, 50 k's from border village, and road's closed, air highway's closed, we're stuck. Yeah, trucks are building up, road trains are building up, cars, caravans building up at Mundrabilla. They're going to close the road further up as well. Yep, we're stuck. Nullabor's closed. So yeah, we could be here for hours, we could be here for days, who knows. I spoke to a couple of the drivers out there in the road trains, and I've got in the two-way, and there's a truck further down the road who has caught fire and exploded, and he hasn't got a manifest on board, so they don't know what dangerous goods he's carrying. So the air high is in flames on the truck, and they don't know what he's carrying, so they shut the whole Nullarbor air highway down to all transport and vehicles. So bugger, we could be stuck here for God knows how long. So yeah, stuck in the middle of the Nullarbor, fun and games. So yeah, we don't know how long it's going to be, guys. Just got an update that the truck has exploded, and there's explosions going on left, right and centre. So yeah, I don't know what's on board, so we could be here for ages. They'll probably get cranes and all sorts of forensics and all sorts of shit for this truck, but yeah, fun and games. Stuck on the Nullarbor. So I've just found out, guys, they've closed the road now back at Border Village to stop vehicles coming down here to Mundrabilla. Closed it further back, so stuck right in the middle of it, thick and fast. So we'll keep you updated and see what happens when we can finally get out of here. So we going to camp up here in the caravan park for a bit. We've got about 8 or so bays in here, just in behind the roadhouse. So 25 bucks, just power, no water. So we'll stay here just in case it doesn't get opened. The air highway stays shut overnight, and if it does open in a few hours, we'll let the trucks go and we'll go. It's only a waste of 25 bucks, which is not too bad. So at least we've got power here. We can put the aircon on for the dogs, so it's going to be 30, 38 and 41 tomorrow. So yeah, we'll just camp up here for a bit and see what happens with the highway, see if it gets reopened. And they've got a little beer garden. You can take the dogs and have a beer behind the roadhouse, which could be an option.